In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix some websites not loading or not opening in any browser on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you've ever tried to visit a website and it just keeps spinning, shows a blank page, or gives you a generic error, even though other sites seem to work fine, this guide is for you. We'll walk through several simple but effective checks and fixes you can do on your computer. And by the end, you should have a much better idea of what's going wrong and how to resolve it. First, start by trying a different browser. For example, if the site isn't loading in Chrome, open Microsoft Edge or Firefox and type in the same website address. If it loads fine in another browser, that tells you the issue is probably specific to your main browser's settings, cache, or extensions, not your entire system. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, cached data can become corrupted and stop certain pages from loading properly. Open your browser settings, go to the History or Privacy section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you include cached images and files, as well as cookies. Then restart the browser and try the site again. If that doesn't help, check your internet connection. Even if other sites seem okay, a weak or unstable connection might be blocking specific pages. Restart your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. On your computer, you can also quickly turn Wi-Fi off and back on, or disconnect and reconnect your Ethernet cable. Now, temporarily disable any VPNs, proxies, or custom DNS services you might be using. These tools can sometimes misroute your traffic and prevent certain websites from loading. Turn off your VPN app. Remove any manually set proxy in your network settings, and if you changed your DNS in the past, switch it back to automatic and test the website again. After that, check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software mistakenly blocks safe sites. Open your security program, look for any website blocking or web protection section, and see if the affected site is listed there. You can temporarily disable web protection to test, but remember to turn it back on once you're done. Finally, restart your computer. A simple restart can refresh your network stack and clear out background issues that might be interfering with your browsers. Follow these steps in order, testing the problem site after each change, and you'll usually find the cause. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your websites loading again.